Good morning all of you. Myself Sandeep Parashar and I am welcoming you online classes computer class 8th class. 8th class we had finished PT first syllabus chapter first and second. Now we are going to start our PT second syllabus chapter number 3 queries form and report in Access. We already read MS Access 2013. In this I already told you what is queries, what is form and what is report. In this chapter we will learn how to make it. In this query just a specific record related to user's query. Second thing, form. What is form? Form is a graphical representation of a table. And last and final, report. Report is a printed format of any data. So we can start. Query display specific record from a table that meet a certain criteria. A form is nothing more than a graphical representation of a table. We can add, update and remove, delete record in our table using a form. A report is an effective way to present our data in a printed format. All of you get it? Report card. This is report, means printed data. How to make query? Query in Microsoft Access. When the number of record in a table increases, it becomes difficult for the user to pick out a specific record from the table. With a query, we can apply a filter to the table's data. Means we have lots of record. 7th class, 8th class, 9th class and 10th class students. But we want to search only 7th class. So we give the specific record and specific data 7th student. Then it will give 7th class student only. It is known as query. For example, a query based on above table can be to display the name of the student who have been passed. Means we have a table. There is pass and fail. So we require only pass, so we give. Creating a query. A query is based on tables on other queries. To create a query, follow the given step. First of all, we will click on the create. Second thing, after that we will click on the query design from the query group. The show table dialog box appear. Step 3, choose the table on which we want to generate our query. Here it is student table. We are working on student table. Fourth, click add button. The selected table is added in the query window. And last and final, click the close button. I will show you 3, 4 and 5th. Select the table, add and click close. We can use query design command from the queries group of create tab to create query in Access 2016. Now the query window. The query window is divided into two panels, means two parts. The two pane display the table selected for the query. The bottom pane display a design grid where we can add fields to the query and also specify the criteria like this. We have two panels. First, display the table and second, display the design grid. In this, we can add field, table, sort, show, criteria or. Let us understand the design grid. The design grid show first field. It displays the field from the selected table. Table row display the name of the table. In this we will write the name short. Already all of you are familiar with short. It will arrange it ascending and descending format. Show row display a check mark which indicate that this field will be filtered. The query is executed. Criteria. It is used to specify the condition on the basis of which the record will be filtered. Means this is our output. Or row is used to specify multiple criteria. We can give them 2 or 3 conditions in our table. Using a query. To use a query, we need to add fields, specify the criteria in the design grid, and then run the query. Let us create a query based on the student table to display the record of the students whose age is more than 12. Now we are going to create a query. There is a student age is more than 12. So if any student is more than 12, name will come in the output. Okay, step first, choose the required field from the drop down list of the field row in the design grid, or simply double click on the field from the table in the top panel. Second, select the order of sorting in the sort now. Third, specify the criteria in the criteria row. For example, in this case, type age more than under the age column. We will give them, and after that, now to see the result of the query, click the run from the result group in the design tab of the ribbon. The result of the query is displayed in the datasheet view, showing only those records that satisfy the criteria. Okay, first we will click on the choose the field. We will choose it. Second, select ascending or descending order. We are giving in the select ascending or descending order. Third, specify the criteria. We will give them a criteria. Fourth, click on run. Fifth, we will check our queries. They are more than 12, 13, 13, 13, 13 and 14. And whenever we want to add more than criteria, then we require AND button. So we are using AND in this form. In this, it will give more than age 12 and pass or fail result. In this, we can see more than age 12 and pass and fail result. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.